Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, I just got done mowing the lawn, and now I'm doing my favorite thing. Edging those crispy edges with my Stens rotary scissors. Today is a lazy day. This video is just me doing some B-roll, some shots of my yard, just walking down the sidewalk, because it's just one of those days, right? Where I just want to step back and enjoy that green, luscious lawn. Let me know what you think. You know, sometimes us weekend warriors, us lawn enthusiasts, I honestly think there's some times where we just need to stop, slow down, take a breath, and just look at our lawns and enjoy them. I think we get so busy and so wrapped up in trying to perfect everything that we don't take that step back and enjoy them. Kind of like when you take a fancy trip to Europe, like Greece or something. You feel like you're spending most of your time with the camera, taking picture after picture after picture, and then you think to yourself, wait a minute, I didn't even step back to actually use my eyeballs and enjoy and absorb and experience, right? Experience and just kind of suck it all in. So that's what I'm doing today. Check it out. Alright folks, check out at the end of the video what I went through shortly after I finished up mowing the lawn. This is the true definition of a lawn enthusiast, a weekend warrior. I want all of you to reflect on your sacrifices and all that you've been through in the pursuit of perfection.